Now, as in the earlier slide, we have already listened that I will be creating a folder, and in that folder, I will be just copy pasting all the images. There is one more method which is very easy for us to replace. We will be looking first that particular method. So, coming to the presentation over here, click any of the images which you want, right click over there. You will be able to see an option called as replace image. Replace image from where? Upload from the computer, search the web. So I'm clicking search the web first. When I click on search the web, on the right hand side, definitely you will be able to see Google search, and I'm typing seven wonders of the world. So first I'm able to see pyramid. I'm selecting pyramid, I'll be replacing it. So when I replace it, you will be able to see that this is the seven wonders of the world. Now right click, again go to the replace, search the web. This is the most easiest operation according to me in order to replace. I will be selecting Eiffel Tower, click on replace button and it will be replaced. Third, replace image, search the web. And now scroll down, I'll be just seeing some different images which I'm able to see seven wonders of the world. Yes, replace. And the other way in which you are able to do it, Michael, just select it, replace it, upload from the computer. So whichever image is there on my computer, I'll be just selecting any of the desired image from the computer. Suppose I'm selecting this particular scratch path, so you will be able to select it. So the best manner without saving it on the desktop is just right click, go to replace image, sorry, just right click, go to replace image, search the web. Seven wonders is already there. I will be selecting now Statue of Liberty or some other images I'm searching. Okay, I will be selecting this particular part. Over here, I'll be selecting Taj Mahal, right click, replace image, search the web, seven wonders of the world. I'll be selecting Taj Mahal now. And sorry, just select it and select it, replace it. I haven't clicked on the replace button, hence it was not replacing. So in this particular man, if you want, you can write some information about the seven wonders of the world. Now in this particular manner, you will be able to select different images, and you will be able to upload on one particular page. You can upload one by one wonder. On the second page, you can insert the second wonder of the world, and you can write some informations on it. So in this manner, you can prepare the PowerPoint presentation of any photo album. I have selected seven wonders of the world. Now, I have selected seven wonders of the world in order to give you demonstration.